This problem is about fractional powers, but more importantly, it is concerned with the right order in which to do things. What we have here is a number raised to a power, and then the result of that is raised to another power. Now, by the power rule for exponents, we know that this task can be accomplished in three different ways. We could do it just as written, that is, raise 36 to the power of 15, and then raise that result to the power of 1 over 30. Or we could do it in the opposite order. We could raise 36 to the power of 1 over 30, and then raise the result of that to the power of 15. Or we could multiply the exponents together. That yields 1/2. And then raise 36 to the power of 1/2. Now, all of these approaches are equivalent and will theoretically yield the correct result. But in this situation, only one of those approaches is practical. And I would even go as far as saying that only one of them is smart in this situation. Let me begin by dismissing the wrong ways to do it. I would certainly not raise 36 to the power of 15, because that would yield a humongous number with some 25 or so digits, and then some basic calculators might not even be able to handle a number that high. And then you won't even be able to proceed and raise that to the power of 1 over 30. So that's not a good way. I would also not raise 36 to the power of 1 over 30 first either, because that would yield a number very close to 1, and some calculators may begin to lose important digits. And then when you raise that result to the power of 15, it may be inaccurate. Now, I think that most calculators would probably be able to handle this calculation, but not if these powers were more extreme. For instance, if this was 15 million and this was 1 over 30 million, then most basic calculators will not be able to handle that calculation accurately. So I wouldn't do that either. That leaves us with a smart way of doing it, which is multiply 15 by 1 over 30, multiply the exponents together, and then raise 36 to the power of 1/2. Now, a number to the power of 1/2 is, of course, the square root of that number, pretty much by definition. And square root of 36 is 6. Let's write that down. So there you go. Always think about the right order in which to do things. Hey, thanks for watching. Click on this logo to check out our complete SAT math platform. And if you know someone studying for the SATs, please let them know about it. Thank you. Hey, got it on the very first.